Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the HD35 ready to perform. Power it, use battery or 12V so the LED shows stable power. This prevents false readings. Next, mount the unit in the collet and torque to spec because any wobble shifts your edge reference. Clean the spindle and tool face. Chips or oil change the contact point. Once done, jog the table slowly toward the workpiece until the HD35 tip makes initial contact, and listen for the click that signals the first touch. You continue by detecting precise edge points. Move the table in controlled 0, 1 to 0. 5 mm steps until the HD35 indicates contact. Approaching square at 90 degrees gives the cleanest signal. When the indicator changes, stop and record the machine readout as the edge coordinate. This becomes your X or Y offset. Once recorded, retract, reposition to the opposite side, and repeat to establish true diameter or center. Make sure to average paired readings for accuracy, and to compensate for you finish by converting measurements into usable offsets. Average your paired edge readings and input them into your controller as the chosen work offset, such as G54. This aligns the program to the part. Then, verify by jogging to the calculated center or edge and measure. You should be within 100th to 500th millimeter for typical setups. If results wander, check the HD35 mounting, battery voltage, approach angle, and cleanliness. Repeating the touch method usually resolves the discrepancy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.